Hey everyone, today we will learn how to deploy a React frontend and a Node.js backend together on Vercel. Vercel supports serverless functions, so its full stack deployment process is a bit different from platforms like Render or others. Let's get started. Step 1 is project structure. In the root in the root folder of your project, you should have a package.json file, two directories which are client and backend. The client directory is where you will set up your React frontend. Make sure your React is installed and your frontend is fully set up in this folder. In the backend directory, you will have your backend logic. For example, create an index.js file and write the code logic here. All your code right here, all your backend right here. Just write the code for Vercel setup. This code app.use express.static path.join dir name client slash dish is formally render. If you are using Vercel, you just have to write slash client only. You first have to write this code const dir name path.resolve, then go to app.use this line express.static path.join dir name slash client, and then go to all your API routes, then go to this code app.get star response send file path.join slash dir name client slash dist, remove the dist. This is for render setup. For Vercel, you don't have to write it because Vercel is a serverless. After doing this setup, you just have to create vercel.json in the root directory and write this code there. Okay, I repeat all the steps first. You have to, in your root directory, you should have package.json initiated, then client folder, then backend folder. In client folder, your frontend will be set up normally as you are doing for a React project. Okay, then in backend folder, you have to write backend logics, all the logic. In index.js, you have to just set up few things for the Vercel. First setup is this setup app.use const dir name path.resolve, then app.use express.static path.join dir name slash client. After API routes, then write this app.get response.send file path.join dir name slash client, whatever your folder frontend folder name, then index.html. And after that, create a vercel.json in the root folder, then write this code same as there is run, commit your changes on the github, then go to add new project and import your github repository from here and deploy the project, and your project will be successfully deployed. Now you will not get page not found error.